Hi, and welcome to Hope. Let me show you around. So let's start by doing some math, by clicking keep going. By default, Hope shows you problems that it thinks you should work on. But if you want, you can click on advanced and actually click a specific section of math you want to work on. But for now, let's just click show me one. All right.
When adding decimals, it's helpful to line them up vertically so the place values are in the same columns. Can you try setting up the addition problem like that?
All right, 4.75 plus 2.6. I don't really know how to add them. It says add them, like put them together vertically, but I don't really understand. Can you show me a picture? I'm not really sure what you mean.
Sure, this picture should help clarify things. It shows how to write 2.6 as 2.60 so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. What do you notice about the decimal points?
Ah, I see. So I have to add the ones together, the tenths together, and the hundredths together, right?
That's exactly right. Since you're ready to add, would you like to use an interactive board to work through the addition? We can write out 4.75 plus 2.60 on it.
Yeah, could you actually set that up?
You got it. I've set up the board for 4.75 plus 2.60. Just remember to keep the decimal point in the same spot in your answer. Where do you want to start adding?
It's also asking if I've seen decimal places before. If I haven't, then it'll actually show me a video that I can watch. But since I have, I'm just going to say I've got it. Here, let's fill in the board. 5, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 1 plus 4 plus 2, that's 7.
Great job finishing the addition on the board. Now that you have that part, where does the decimal point go in your final answer? What do you think the total is?
So then the total is 7.35. Awesome. There we go. I got it right. I think that was just perfect difficulty. Now we can go to the next problem and try again.
A walking trail has a 2.4-kilometer loop and a 1.35-kilometer loop. How many kilometers long are the two loops together? Since we need to find the total length, we'll need to add these numbers. How do you think we should set them up to add them?
All right, we can do this question later. Let me show you the rest of the platform. So let's click leave session. From here, you can actually go and use the points we got to go and customize your avatar. So here you go to your avatar. As you can see, we have 30 points. So we can go to a shop and we can actually buy something. Most of the things are really expensive, but if I go to common, I actually already have this chalkboard. And I can put it on and boom, look how stylish I look. Let's go to the leaderboard and see who else is here. You can see Jackson with 7,600 points in the last week. How is that even possible? And then Alani with 4,100. Let's look at Bane. Bane is here too. Let's add Bane as a friend actually. So let's go back. Let's go friend, add friends, and let's add Bane. Now you can see I already sent some requests. So let me just request Bane as well. Boom, add friend request. Awesome. Now we've done that, we can go and do mental math if you'd like. We can go and compete with other students. But let's just say you're a parent. You get an overview of your kid unlike any other. You click on see full analysis and you get to see a very strong map of exactly what things they understand well and what things they don't. So for example, you can see I have shown that I know adding and subtracting quite well. But I have not shown too much evidence of multiplying fractions, and I've shown almost zero evidence of dividing fractions. So maybe that's next for us to work on. But yeah, that's Hope. It helps people learn math in a really fun way. Thank you.